Well, how's everybody doing? I got a service call today. I gotta keep Bob happy, so which is fun to do. Enjoy it. But changing oil in this new 6125R they bought. Battery needed a battery on it. He's got a step that he's gonna fix. And we gotta put some O-rings on that. So that's gonna be a fun deal. Looks like I gotta change that filter. So yeah. Good way to spend a cold morning. At least we got a heated shop to work in, so it's always a blessing for that. But that's a nice little tractor. IVT in it. Front suspension, cab suspension. So yeah, just kind of update of what's going on, and hopefully we get more of these projects this winter. Keep me busy. So hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you next time.